Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the honorable judges, respectable the audience, and dear my friends who participate in the speech contest. First of all praises to be given to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has given us life and guides us always. Secondly, salawat and salam to please to be given to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to his friends, his family, and his followers. Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Kifari, and I'm from QOLAM MUHAMMADIYah GEMOLONG Junior High School. As we here today, I would like to deliver a speech entitled, "With sincerity and mutual understanding, we can build a strong society." Well, ladies and gentlemen, in nowadays world where technology has made communication more faster and more convenient, we often lost ourselves in the sea of superficial interactions, right? We may have hundreds or even thousands of friends on social media, but how many of them truly know us? How many of them take the time to understand, to empathize, and to listen to others? So that is why we need a society. And the key to achieve a strong society lies in two fundamental values, which is sincerity and mutual understanding. Do you guys know what the sincerity and mutual understanding things are? Well, let's look around. Today, we live in a world where many things are fake, like filtered photos, made-up stories, or even people pretending to be someone they're not. But there is one thing that always stands out: sincerity. Sincerity is the alignment between thoughts, words, and action. Just think about it, how it affects our lives. We've all felt the differences between someone who genuinely cared and someone who doesn't. An example is a friend who listens empathetically and gives heartfelt advices. This builds trust and strengthens relationship, making sincerity a superpower for stronger connections. While mutual understanding is equally important. When we take time to understand each other's perspective, needs, and feelings, we just created a harmonious, cohesive society. It helps us to see beyond our differences and to appreciate the diversity that makes our society more rich and vibrant. Isn't it amazing, right? That we can build a strong civilization only with sincerity and mutual understanding. And here are the ways to create a strong society with sincerity and mutual understanding. Do you guys want to know? Well, who wouldn't want to know, right? So let's get on to it. The first one is we must lead by example. When we became a leader, the most effective way to motivate our subordinates is by giving an example or to be a role model for them. Because one action is way more effective compared to 1,000 words of command. Is it true? Well, it is absolutely true. And remember, action speaks louder than words. And the second one is we must prioritize mutual cooperation and collaboration. The young generation's contribution is an important value to develop our society. They should actively participate in social activities, such as like cleaning the environment, building public facilities, or even helping those in need. As a result, this good collaboration will bring a powerful impact to our society. And the last one is we must foster empathy and tolerance. Empathy allows us to see the world from another person's perspective, while tolerance helps us to accept differences without negative judgment. The ability to accept and to appreciate differences is the key to build togetherness in a diverse society. My dear brothers and sisters, let us build a society that is strong, resilient, and compassionate. A society where everyone has the opportunity to thrive and to reach their own goals. A society where sincerity and mutual understanding are the guiding principles of our interactions. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all about my speech for today. And remember, to build a strong society, it is not the responsibility of one individual, but rather it is everyone's responsibility. Thank you for your attention. Nun wal qalami wa ma yasturun. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.